Facts and all. Join us to explore, educate, empower your knowledge.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Facts in All. Love gardening but can't figure out why your plants keep struggling. Even the most seasoned gardeners can fall victim to common pitfalls while transforming their dream garden. Let's uncover the top gardening errors you must avoid if you want your garden to thrive. First up, planting in the wrong spot. Every plant has its sunlight needs. Putting shade-loving plants in full sun or sun-loving ones in shade is like asking a fish to climb a tree. Too much water can rot the roots, too little and they dry out. Check the soil before you water. Your plants will thank you. The secret is familiarizing yourself with how much water a particular plant needs and always checking the moisture of the soil. Planting without enriching the soil is like baking without preheating the oven. Things just won't turn out right. By testing pH and adding organic matter like compost, we can ensure soil to be fertile and well drained. Plants need personal space too. Overcrowding invites pests, diseases, and poor growth. High plant population affects air circulation and nutrient supply level. Timing matters. Planting out of season often means no harvest or stunted growth. Mulch locks in moisture, suppresses weeds, and keeps roots cool. Skipping it? That's asking for trouble. Weeds steal nutrients and water. Get them when they are small, before they take over. More fertilizer doesn't mean more growth. Overfeeding can burn roots and kill plants. Pruning keeps plants healthy and blooming. Plants are weakened by over-pruning or pruning at the wrong time, and this leads to reduced fruit production. A weekly inspection can save your plants. Spotting trouble early makes fixing it easier. With no records about the planting dates, weather, and how the plants perform, one can never be ready for the future. It is advisable to keep records which improve future planning for plant growth. Choosing plants that are not adjustable to your soil and climate leads to poor growth and even failure. Research plants that thrive in their condition before planting. Gardening can be overwhelming. It is important to remain upbeat and to learn some lessons through mistakes so that it becomes enjoyable, rewarding, and sustainable. Skip the errors and enjoy the blooms. Grow smart, not hard, your plants will thank you. Gardening isn't about avoiding mistakes, it's about learning from them. Avoid these errors and watch your garden flourish. Thanks for watching. Love gardening tips? Subscribe and grow with us.